Hello everyone, I've been looking in my back catalogue for octopus work, things inspired by the octopus. This one is one of my earliest mosaics, very much indebted to the Minoan octopus. This one is the Mycenaean octopus. So Minoan is Cretan, from Crete, and about 1500 BC. This one is slightly later, the later period, and what's interesting is that the almost freeform cartoony look becomes more geometric, more symmetrical. It's not always symmetrical, but I've made this one symmetrical. I don't mind the cracks on it because it just makes it look old. And my favourite of all is this one by Thomas Cheek, aged about 5. And what he did was he worked into the clay and then we used that as a mould. And I'm very fond of it. I think it's a great piece. And then, let's just remove this for a minute. We've then got this one, which is a vessel made by me, which I've decorated. And as you can see, what's great about the octopus is that you just continue his legs to fill the shape. And if we keep going, let's keep going until we come back to him, see if it'll stand it. Where is he gone? There he is. He's come in. There he is. Right, so there we are. Lots of octopus. So I think I'm going to make an album of all of these.